Ever wonder what happens to your internet connection if your network's main router suddenly dies? Does the entire network stop working? The answer is no. Thanks to Hot Standby Router Protocol or HSRP. In this video you will learn what HSRP is, how it works, and why it's one of the most important protocols for network redundancy. Let's get started. What is HSRP? HSRP is a Cisco protocol that provides a backup gateway by allowing one router to automatically take over if the main router fails, ensuring continuous network connectivity. This minimizes downtime and keeps user connected without changing any device settings. Basically, HSRP is a redundancy protocol. Instead of your devices relying on just one physical router, HSRP allows multiple routers to work as a team. In a standard network, end devices like computers or printers are configured with a single default gateway IP address. If the router acting as that gateway fails, all devices on that local network lose connectivity to external networks. HSRP resolves this issue by allowing multiple physical routers to work together. Imagine your school has two teachers in the classroom. One teacher is actively teaching, the other teacher is standing by, ready to take over if the first teacher suddenly has to leave. Students don't notice any interruption because the second teacher starts teaching immediately. HSRP works the same way in a network. Imagine you have two routers connected to the same network. HSRP creates a shared virtual IP address and a virtual MAC address. Instead of using the physical IP address of either router, all the client devices use the virtual IP address as their default gateway. Here is the magic. All your devices are configured to send their traffic to that virtual IP, not the physical one. Behind the scene, routers elect one to be the active router. That's the workhorse that handles all the traffic and is responsible for forwarding traffic sent to the virtual gateway address. The other router is the standby router that monitors the status of the active router. It remains idle regarding traffic forwarding, but is ready to take over immediately if the active router fails. If the active router goes down, standby router takes over immediately within few seconds, keeping the network running with no downtime. Standby router is constantly listening for hello messages from the active router. If that connection drops, standby router instantly steps up, takes over that virtual identity and keeps the traffic flowing. Because the virtual IP and MAC address haven't changed, your devices don't even know a failover happened. It's seamless. It's also important to note that end devices do not need to be reconfigured or updated when a failover occurs. They can continue sending traffic to the same virtual address, which is now handled by the new active router. Let's take an example. Imagine a company has hundreds of employees connected to the internet through router 1. If router 1 suddenly goes down, employees could lose internet access. With HSRP configured, router 2 automatically becomes the active router. Users continue working without changing their default gateway, and the network stays available. Let's say router 1 192.168.1.2 is active. Router 2 192.168.1.3 is standby router. Virtual IP 192.168.1.1 used by all devices as their default gateway. If router 1 fails, router 2 automatically starts answering for 192.168.1.1, so users don't notice any interruption. Failover happens seamlessly. HSRP states a router passes through several states before becoming active. Initial HSRP process starts. Learn. Router learns the virtual IP address. Listen. Router listens for HSRP messages. Speak. Router sends HSRP hello packets and participates in elections. Standby. Router is ready to take over if needed. Active. Router forwards all traffic. HSRP election process. How does HSRP decide which router becomes active? Router with the highest priority wins. The default priority is 100. If both routers have the same priority. Router with the highest IP address becomes the active router. Keep in mind a couple of important features. Preemption. This allows a higher priority router to regain the active role if it recovers from a crash. Tracking. A pro feature that monitors your upstream links. So if your internet connection itself goes down, HSRP can automatically trigger a failover to a router with a better path. Here are some key points to remember. HSRP provides high availability. Only one router is active at a time. Another router stays in standby mode. Uses a virtual IP address that devices use as their default gateway. Prevents network downtime if a router fails. Commonly used on Cisco routers. Okay, now it's time to summarize. HSRP is a Cisco redundancy protocol that provides a highly available default gateway. It uses a virtual IP address, elects an active and a standby router, and automatically switches traffic if the active router fails. Understanding HSRP is important for anyone preparing for networking certifications like CCNA or working in enterprise networks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more networking tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.